After development of creative strategy, now let's implement the creative strategy of advertising in our product and service. So to do that, we need to prepare advertisement appeals. So there are various types of appeals. One, first, informational or rational appeals, emotional appeals, combining rational and emotional appeals, and some additional types of appeals that can be used. A rational appeal is used to promote the awards received by a popular Honda Accord. Red Bull uses a feature appeal to promote its product benefits to students. Southwest Airlines uses a variation of a price appeal in the transparency campaign. Basis of emotional appeals. So emotional appeals are based on personal states of feelings, safety, security, fear, love, affection, happiness, joy, nostalgia, sentiment, excitement, arousal, simulation, sorrow, grief, pride, achievement, accomplishment, self-esteem, actualization, pleasure, ambition, comfort, social-based feelings, recognition, status, respect, involvement, embracement, affiliation or belonging, rejection, acceptance, and approval. The milk ad appeals to emotional motives such as self-esteem and pride. The love has no labels campaign use emotional advertising to connect with consumers. Corona's Find Your Beach campaign is an excellent example of transformational ads. Advertisement of Delta Airlines often appeals to emotional as well as rational motives. And Under Armour often uses teaser ads prior to launch of a new product. Advertising appeal. The advertising appeal refers to approach used to attract the attention of consumers and or to influence their feelings towards the product or service or cause. An advertisement of appeal can also be viewed as something that moves people speak to their wants or needs and excites their interest. Creation execution style. The creative execution style is the way a particular appeal is turned into advertising message presented to the consumer. Informational or rational appeals. Informational rational appeals focuses on consumers' practical, functional, and utilitarian need of the product or service and emphasize features of a product or service and or the benefits or reasons for owning or using a particular brand. Emotional appeal. Emotional appeal relate to consumer social and or psychological needs for purchasing a product or service. Many consumer motives for their purchase decisions are emotional and their feelings about brand can be more important than knowledge of its features and attributes. Transformational ads, they are one which associates the experience of using, that is consuming the advertising brand with a unique set of psychological characteristics which would not typically be associated with the brand experience to the same degree without exposure to the advertisement. Reminder advertising. They have an objective of building brand awareness and or keeping the brand name in front of consumers. Well-known brands and market leaders often use reminder advertisement to maintain top-of-the-mind awareness among consumers in their target market. Teaser advertisement. These is designed to build curiosity, interest, and or excitement about a product or brand by talking about it but not actually showing it. Teasers or mystery ads are sometimes called or also used by marketers to draw attention to upcoming product launches and or advertisement campaigns and generate interest in publicity for them. User generated content, whereby ads are created by consumers rather than the company and or its agency. These are the most frequently used execution approaches, frequently used that are straight sale or factual sales, scientific technical evidence, demonstration, comparison, testimonial, slice of life, animation, personality symbol, imaginary, dramatization, humor, and combination of all. So with this, we end up with one more concept of integrated marketing communication subject.